to avoid fast orgasm for men. Premature ejaculation is perhaps the greatest fear of many sexually inexperienced men. But every now and then, this can happen to even the most experienced of men. There are many factors that contribute to having a fast orgasm, but it can be controlled with some practice and certain strategies. If you think you suffer from premature ejaculation, here are some tips on how to avoid fast orgasm for men. 1. Know your body well. One of the main causes of fast orgasm is inexperience and anxiety. You need to know when you are approaching or near orgasm in order to learn how to control it. Once you know your threshold, you can start to lessen the stimulation by stopping or slowing down. Of course, this takes a lot of practice, so you need to let your partner know about your anxieties and concerns so that she can help you deal with them. You can also try masturbating in order to learn the techniques that can help you delay ejaculation. 2. Wear a condom during intercourse. For most men, condoms lessen the sexual stimulation that they get from having sex, so it is an effective way of delaying orgasm. However, do not use condoms that are labeled as extra thin, since this will not do much to reduce the sensation. Instead, use the ones that are slightly coated with a numbing gel, which can help you put off ejaculation longer. 3. Use a numbing spray. There are analgesic sprays and creams out on the market that help you feel less sensation during intercourse. While this can help you delay ejaculation, remember that this is not really the ideal solution, since your partner might feel numb as well, resulting in not so pleasurable intercourse. Some men even reported that it actually numbs them too much, so that they no longer feel anything at all, which basically takes all the fun out of sex. Instead of delaying orgasm, you actually might not get there at all. 4. Apply pressure on your perineum and testes. Pressing on your perineum will help put pressure on the prostate gland, which controls the expulsion of the semen. Likewise, tugging on the testes can delay ejaculation, since the testes rise closer to the body when you are about to have an orgasm. It might be a little awkward to do this yourself during intercourse, so you can ask your partner to do it for you. 5. Think of non-sexual thoughts. A man's sexual thoughts are powerful enough to make him come. To avoid this predicament, start to think of non-sexual thoughts, such as sports, work, and cars, whenever the excitement builds up. Just be careful not to think of things that will make you lose your arousal, or else your partner will not be happy. 6. Practice the stop and start method. The stop and start method is one of the most popular ways of controlling orgasm. In this method, you stop all stimulation for 30 seconds when you feel that you are about to come. This will help you calm down a little, and then you can continue intercourse until you are finally ready to have an orgasm. Taking things slow is also effective in holding off an orgasm. 7. Change positions. There are certain positions, such as missionary and rear entry, that provide excessive stimulation to the glands, the tip and most sensitive part of the penis. Try to avoid those positions in the beginning, and instead engage in positions that are less stimulating, such as spooning and reverse missionary. There are many ways on how to avoid fast orgasm for men. However, if you do find yourself unable to perfect the strategy of delaying orgasm, even after tons of practice, consider seeing a doctor. There might be a deeper problem connected to your inability to prolong ejaculation.